Hello friends, you might be facing trouble when trying to find and download this wireless LAN driver. Follow the steps to download this driver. Go to the description of this video. You will find the links to the drivers page of HP, Lenovo and Asus. Click on the link depending on your device's brand. First, coming to the driver for HP laptop or desktop. The link in the description will directly download the setup file of the driver. Click on the link. This will download the driver. To install it, click on the file explorer icon, downloads. Right click on this exe file. Select run as administrator. Click on next. Check the option I accept the terms and license agreements. Click on next. Click on next. Click on finish. Restart your device to complete the installation. Now let's say Lenovo. For Lenovo, click on the link depending on your device. The devices may be IdeaPad or ThinkPad. Click on the link. You will reach this page. This driver is for ThinkPad. Click on download. Here click on cancel. Again click on download. This will download the setup file of the driver. Go to the downloads folder. Right click on this file. Select run as administrator. Select a language and click on OK. Click on next. Accept the agreement. Next. Here make sure that install is checked. Click on next. In the end, restart your device. For the Asus driver, go to the link from description. Click on latest driver link. For the zip file, click on action menu. Click on download. From here, click on download. Extract the file. Open the folder. Right click on rt-wi-fi man serv.exe and select open. This will be installed on your computer. Install the driver from Microsoft Update Catalog. You can download the same driver from Microsoft Update Catalog. Go to the description of this video and click on the relevant link. You will reach this page in your default browser. Find the latest driver and click on download. Click on this link. Go to the downloads folder. But here is one problem. This file is with CAV extension. No worry. Go to the link to add install to the context menu for CAV file. A RAID file will be downloaded. Show in folder. Right click on the RAID file. Select show more options. Select merge. Click on run. Yes. Now restart Windows Explorer. Right click on Taskbar. Select Task Manager. Right click on Windows Explorer from the list. Select Restart. Again go to Downloads folder. Extract the downloaded cap file for the Realtek driver. Right click on the cap file. Select Show More options. Hover on 7-zip. Select Extract Files. OK. Close. Open the extracted folder. Right click on the .inf file. netrtwlane. Right click on this file and select install. The driver will be installed on your computer. Restart your computer. If you want to remove the install option from the context menu, again click on the link from the description. Again a RAID file will be downloaded. Right click on this file, select open, run, yes. Go to the task manager and restart Windows Explorer. Besides, you can also install the driver using device manager. Right click on start, select device manager, expand network adapters. Right click on this device, select update driver, click on browse my computer for drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on have disk. Browse. Browse to the folder where you have extracted the driver file, cap file, and select open. Click on OK and click on next. At last, restart your computer. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.